In this section, I'm going to use something called AutoFilter to perform multiple queries on the data. Now, if we look at this table here, we've got salespeople here, so that's their names. We've got the regions, so there's two regions, north and south, and then we've got the total number of units sold. So if I click within the table here, what I need to do is click on the Data tab up here, and then click on where it says Filter. And you'll notice it puts these little drop-down items here. So let's say you wanted to filter this data to only show sales from the north. I could click on this down arrow in the regions column and say, well, let's click here to deselect everything, and I'll just click here to show stuff in the north. And if I click on OK, you can see it's filtered this list now to show only the salespeople within the northern region and their sales figures. Now let's say I want to do a secondary filter. So I only want to see sales that are above, say, 11 units. So if I click on the down arrow here, there's various things we can do. So for instance, we could see just people who sold 9, 10, 12, 14 or 27, which is not so useful. But what we'll do is we'll click here, or just mouse over where it says number filters, and there's various things you can do here. You can say it equals a particular number, does not equal a number, greater than or equals. So you've got all the usual things here. So if I click on where it says greater than, and we're going to filter for more than 11, if I click on OK, as you can see, first of all we've filtered by the north region, and then we filtered by only those people who sold more than 11 units. So that's how you use AutoFilter. As you can see, incredibly useful.